Hello everybody! For the first time, I want to announce that I created my first North and Soul online course. So this time, I created for beginners. You will learn everything from basic footwork to variations, basic spins, 3 basic spins. You will get a series of videos explained step by step with different camera perspectives to make it easier for you. We will also practice together, dance along using my feet as a guide. And I do not believe this is about creating tiny little me's and everybody starts dancing like me. My mission is to get you the confidence for you to create your own style, for you to go out there and have fun, and of course that you look good while you're doing it. And also have a guide on recommendations on how to dress. I go over the shoes that you need to wear. I go over the sole versus floors that you're gonna encounter when you go out dancing. You will have lifetime access to this course. You will go in your own pace. You will stop, watch, review, replay, all in your own speed. All of this is done over Teachable, which is the new platform where I am working at. You can access the course in the link that I let you in the description of this video. Remember, this is for beginners, but if you guys ask me for more advanced and if you guys want to continue your journey, I will also create a more advanced one. I'm also looking to do more courses, so let me guys know on the comments, what do you want to see in a full online dance course, and I will consider it according to the request and I will create a course for you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. For those who never heard me speak before, this is Aranivah and I will see you next time. And by the way, I did not cut my hair. I just have this pigtail because my hair was not looking awesome today. Hello everybody. You are about to access the first North and Soul online course probably ever created on the internet. I go from everything from a simple stepping to its variations to a little more complex moves. Everything here is for beginners, so if it's your first time, don't feel intimidated. We will learn how to spin, we will learn how to displace ourselves through the dance floor and move around the dance floor so we don't dance only steady. We will learn how to dress properly, not fashion-wise, but just ready to dance. I also provide different views of my feet so you guys can see different perspectives on how I move my feet while dancing Northern. I also do an introduction history to the dancing, to the music. I will provide as well a playlist with my favorite songs for you to enjoy and listen in your own time. We will also have guided practices and follow along dance videos that you can just take ideas while you're dancing with me and we can just practice together and get ourselves dancing right there. So I really hope we have a really good time in here and we can all learn together. I will be adding classes depending on you guys' requests through the course. If there's something that you need more attention on, I will create a video just covering those needs. I will create more dance practice as well. You will have unlimited lifetime access to this course, so you can access it anytime as long as you want to. Eventually, I will be adding more courses, so if you are interested in something that you cannot really find, please let me know. If it's something that I actually can represent, I will be glad to make a dance course depending on demand. Thank you for being here and welcome to your course. I hope you enjoy it.